Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Zoom link on WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Zoom app on your phone. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now you can create a new meeting over here. Tap on new meeting, start a meeting. Now, in order to share this meeting link on WhatsApp, first of all, you need to tap on this participant option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now at the bottom left corner you can see invite option, tap on it. If you already have WhatsApp installed on your phone, it'll even show the option over here of WhatsApp, or else you can scroll to the bottom and here you can see copy invite link, tap on it. Now the Zoom meeting link has been copied and you can share this link through any social media platforms. So head over to your WhatsApp, open the chats where you want to send the meeting link, tap on the message box. Now paste the link you just copied and send it. So that's it. That's how you can successfully share Zoom link on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.